everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Jacqueline. This is Low Carb Wish, the channel where we take high carb foods and turn them into low carb foods that help us to control our blood sugars and lower our A1C. And today is another in the series of our 4th of July recipes, and I'm making it super easy and quick video because I know everybody's busy trying to get ready for things. So I've already prepared the things that we're going to use today, and let's go get started. Okay, y'all, so I've already boiled and roasted what we're using to make the salad today. And what we're going to do today is we're making a mock potato salad. And I had 3 small turnips this morning, so they've been chopped and diced and roasted in a 425-degree oven for about 25 minutes. And they're cut a little bit smaller than I usually do, but I like that. So if you want to cut them larger, you can do that. You're just going to have to cook them a little bit longer. So there's 3, like I said, there's 3 small turnips, and they do shrink down a little bit when you cook them, but they're still very delicious. And then I've got a 1/4 of the head of cabbage that it was originally cut up a little bit larger than this, but it cooked a little bit softer. So it's kind of breaking up, but that's going to make a really good texture for the potato salad too. So that's going to go in with the turnips. And this, after it came out of the boiling water, and the water was salted also, but after it came out of the boiling water, it sat in the strainer for quite a while, just getting a lot of that moisture and stuff off of it. I've got 1 boiled egg here that I've diced and used my little egg chopper with. And we're going to add that in, and you can add more egg if you like to. I just don't want a whole bunch of egg in mine, but some people like a lot of egg. Then I've got 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, and we're going to add that in. We got to get all that goodness out, y'all. You know how I feel about scraping down the cups and the bowls. Okay, and then I like a little bit of brown mustard with mine, so this is about 2 teaspoons of golden brown mustard. This is totally optional. Some people love mustard in their potato salad, some people do not. So you do you, boo-boo. So the final thing that I'm going to do is add a little bit of dill, and the dill and the salt and pepper are all to taste. I'm kind of, you know, partial to dill, so I go a little heavy with it. And then salt and pepper. And all of this is optional. It just depends on the spices you like. And if you have other spices that you put in your potato salad, then absolutely do the same thing with this turnip cauliflower salad. And then it's just a matter of getting it mixed up and adding it to your holiday menu. And I know before I got diagnosed, potato salad used to be one of my favorite things to eat at picnics and stuff, and I was so sad because I thought I'm never going to be able to enjoy those flavors again. But I actually do really enjoy this turnip cauliflower salad, and I think you will too. It's really satisfying, and of course it doesn't taste exactly like potato salad, but the turnips and the cauliflower are a nice complement to each other, and it works really well for me. And I mean, you can't get much simpler than that putting together a salad, can you? So I'm going to plate this up and then we'll give it a try. Okay, so let's have a taste of our turnip cauliflower salad. I think it turned out really well, and I think you'll like it if you like potato salad. Like I said, put your own twist on this. If you want pickles, throw them in there. If you want to throw some bacon in there, throw it in there. Just be aware of whatever you're adding, that you're going to have to count your calories and your net carbs when you're doing it, so because we gotta stay on top of that all the time. So let's give this a try. It's really good. Y'all, this salad is really interesting because you get a little bit of sweetness from the turnips, and then the cauliflower is kind of a neutral background, but it adds that texture and everything to the salad that makes it a little more cohesive, and it tastes really good to me. So I hope you guys will try this. If you do try it and you make some tweaks to make it your own, leave me a comment down below, because I always love to hear how people are taking recipes and making them their own. If you like the recipes that you're getting here, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. If you do subscribe, hit that little notification bell and you'll never miss a recipe when I put them out. And also, if you could hit the like button, that really does help people find my channel that have just been diagnosed and are looking for help eating low carb and looking for easy, simple, low carb recipes. Because let's face it, most of us are working and we don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen prepping. And so a lot of the recipes that I do, I keep them simple for that reason. So anyway, we've got one more recipe coming in our 4th of July series, and I hope you guys try some of these and have a really great 4th of July. And until next time, bye.